What's good, y'all? So listen, yesterday I bought another exclusive bike and I want to do some things to it. I don't know what I want to do to it yet, but I want to do some things to it. As I show it to y'all, y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think I should do to it, because I'm thinking I should put some speakers on it, customize it, or anything. But I don't really know if I should do all of that to it, because being that it's a low CC, because it's only a 650, y'all. But y'all check it out. Let me show it to y'all.
Fast one, baby, I miss you. What's going on, girl? I haven't seen you since last year. I haven't hold you since last year, baby. I haven't seen you, girl. What's going on? Give me a text on my phone. Give me a call, baby. Missing you. What is your new number, girl? I'm not gonna stalk you. Just wanna reason with you, baby. Talk to me. What's going on? Let's talk like grown-ups, baby. I haven't seen you since last year, girl.
Nice. See, they even have Savage on here. I mean, that's the make of the bike, but I'm a Savage, so that has to be on there. So I was thinking I can get them to remove this and put like one of those big, I don't even know what you call it, but it's a lot of noise. I mean, I have my fish tank. It's kind of dirty. I haven't cleaned it because I've been busy with work and stuff, but I was thinking I could replace this right here, put a bigger one on so I could put speakers on here, and probably remove this and have that speaker bag thing back here, change out the lights and all of that. So I'm thinking about customizing it and doing things to it. And as you can see, been working on it. Took out the battery because I got it started a little bit yesterday and it ran. I mean, the lady that I bought it from, she said it's been sitting for 6 years and I got it running. So that's amazing. So I know it runs. Oh, let me show you the battery. Here goes the battery right here. I got it on the charger. Yeah, man. Yeah, she runs. And you know, I got the other baby right here. So they both run. I mean, but I have to see if this battery works. I mean, I should get it tested. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm gonna bring it to Walmart and have them test it. So y'all stay tuned as I go to Walmart, get it tested. You sit right here. And don't move. Don't move while I'm driving.
Jesus.
As you can see, guys, the battery is messed up and I'm gonna have to get another one. But I wanted to make sure that it wasn't, to sum it all up, I just wanted to make sure that the battery is actually functional, or if it was bad, you know. But I see that it's bad now, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But it's not gonna be in this video. It's gonna probably be in another video or something like that. I'm just gonna go clean the car. Clean the car up. The car is very, very dirty. As you can see, very, very dirty. Car is dirty because I drove this car when my wife had baby, and after that I just haven't cleaned it as yet because I've just been busy, either work, babysitting, or whatever. But I'm gonna go link up with the boy Stefan, and we're gonna probably clean up both of our vehicles. But that's what we usually do, like on weekends and stuff. We just clean up our vehicles and stuff, and yeah, just call it a day. He was over my house last night and we chilled. It was nice. It was excellent. Played music and, you know, drink and chill. Well, yeah, man. Gonna go get this baby cleaned up. She's dirty outside too, you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she's dirty. I'm gonna self-wash it. I'm not gonna let nobody else wash it. I'm just gonna wash it myself. I like to wash my vehicle myself, nobody else. So yeah, man, see y'all there. I just made it. The boss get boss, I knew I'm chicken early that morning. Yo, boss, I need some food. Boss, I need food in the morning. Yeah, eat, my friend. Fried chicken. And then your mother kitchen. How you buy the food?
A long time, maybe. I don't have a restaurant down here, so we don't have fridge on.
Yeah, I watch the vlog. Boss, active. Boss, I already start to wash. Yeah. We about to get it in, man. About to wash these cars. So guys, I don't have a vacuum over here where I'm at, but I can drive to go get one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe off the interior and everything. Wipe off everything, and like all this dirt right here, I'm gonna dust this off and try to get rid of most of the dirt. Some of the time when I do it, like if I go in here and I wipe it up, I can also use this right here that I have, the rag, and wipe up the dirt, and I can also get it out. So sometimes I don't have to vacuum it because I did it so neat. So yeah, man, I'm just wiping off the seats, the interior and everything, getting it clean.
Yeah, do my friend. I'm gonna wash it and you carry down. Yeah, one with there. Listen guys, I had to cut the video short and come back home because listen, I didn't even vacuum this car or anything. I just used my rag and got rid of the dirt and everything. Everything is cool, but I had to come back home, help my wife babysit so she can clean it up or whatever. Yeah, man. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah.
If you know, you know. If you don't,
If you know, you know.
this is where it's at, okay?
Hey Renee, say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog.
Give me the thing so don't put no camera in that baby face.
Girl, you don't want him to go on YouTube.
I drive the Volkswagen last night, yesterday. Drive. Remember I picked somebody with the night car in front of we drive bad? See me? That's the pit there.